This is Gopi here from techpost.in, and today I'm going to show you a brief description about Google Analysis, Google Analyst, and reports in Google Analyst, and how to prepare a customized report Google Analyst. First, we will discuss about this Google Analyst dashboard. Once you after you log into dashboard, you will see something like this. This one, all this part is called reports menu. I mean different types of reports. Suppose this is overview. Let's say if you want to see from which location your website getting visitors, and this you can use this one. So automatically it will load the all the locations here, total map. Actually for this purpose I'm using my latest website, so you can see maybe, so that's why you can see some visits, something like very small amount of visits. So this part is totally yeah, reports menu. I mean different kinds of reports like audiences and behavior, technology like browsers, what browsers they are using, mobiles platform, Android, iOS, or BlackBerry, and traffic sources, how many organic searches it is how many organic searches your website getting, or whether that visitor is from a referral, like suppose if you give an ad in another website, something called in your one more website, or maybe the visitor who is visiting that website will redirect to this website, so that this is called referral visiting. So such type of visits, all you can see here. And like something like conversions, advertising like AdSense overview, everything you can use this menu to run everything report. Just go through this total menu. You will get an idea how to use each and every one. And this area is called report your report, overall report. Here it will come like suppose if you run overview, so here total visits, and uh, there here brief description of total visits, unique visitors, and page views, and page view per visit. And that means suppose if one visitor came to your website, how many pages he viewed at that time for that visit. And here bounce rate, and each and every time how many increases or decreases. Here you can see new visitors or returning visitors pie chart, like how many new out of this total visits, how many new visitors and how many returning visitors, that percentage, so that you can get a clear idea of the visitors reporting. So this is default reporting. So now I'm going to show you how to create a customized reporting. So in this default reporting, everything about your website will be there in this default reporting. That means no exceptions, no excuses. Like if you want to exclude one IP address in this customer reporting, I mean some views from one IP address, like let's say if you want to exclude one place from this report, in this report you cannot do anything. But in customized report you can create, in name itself it is there, customization. That means you can create a report as you want. Like you can exclude one IP address, you can exclude one location, you can exclude everything. So to exclude or include, you need to use filters. I will show you how to use each and everything, and each and every component in a new report. So this is the first step in creating customization report. This is a title, give title whatever you want, and a report tab, give the title whatever you want. Here three types of reports is there. One is explore report page, nothing like before this. We show one report something like this. And fix sorry and fixed flat table report means something, or that diagrams will change. And map overlay means something like this, something look like this report. So explorer report, First of all, before creating a report, we need to get some knowledge about these two terms, metric and dimension. Metric and dimension means it's just a small difference between those two terms. A dimension means it will tells you about the data, like what data it is, describe the data. And a metric means measure the data, like let's say here, if you see this is a, I mean, see, this measurement is a metric, and this one bounce rate and all everything is a, like no, suppose but for clear example we will take suppose, let's assume a geographic location is your dimension. For the dimensions you can consider a city as metric, a population as a metric. So dimension means describe the data, metric means measure the data, as simple terms knowledge. So now we are going to add a metric. So let's say if you want to know how many unique visitors coming to your coming to your website, this one you can find here visitors. First of all, no, we will discuss about each and every option here in matrix. In advertising you can see something. So with advertising matrix you will trace all about your AdSense or everything. So if here you can trace everything, how many clicks, how many cities, everything, and cost and everything. In content matrix, so here so many options is there, you just go through all this, you will definitely get when you come to an end, you will definitely get an idea, no problem, don't worry about all those things, what are all these things and like that. You will definitely get an idea, please go through all those things here. So I'm just creating one. So I want first metric, my metric is unique visitors. So okay, go to visitors, and here there you will find new visits. And I want to add one more thing, new visits plus percentage of new visits. Percentage of new visits means it is the ratio between total visits to new visits. And one more metric, so visitors, I want to take one each one from everything. So advertising means how many ad clicks, ad units viewed, and advertising how many ads click, how many AdSense clicks, I think, yeah, AdSense clicks. And one more from advertising from content. uh, yeah, page download sample and others. These are, I mean, our customizable and social, like social actions, like how is Facebook shares, Twitter tweets, and everything. And then traffic sources, organic searches, like and then we already used. And here dimension, I want to use. So I think dimensions are. You don't need to worry about dimensions. Just leave all these things. First, the main thing is here metric and filters. Let's say something like language. In language, so matrix, English or something like that. So filters, and the main option here in filter is, sorry, the main option in the report is filters. Suppose if you want to exclude one city or one country or one IP address, everything you can do here in filters. So for this example, I want to exclude one city, one entire city. So go to visitors, and I want to exclude the visitor coming from one city. Here, not include, exclude, and exact New York, and then profile. Profile we'll just leave it and save this report. And after after generating this report, then you will find all this. So see here, first we will discuss, this is a matrix data. Okay, and this is dimension. So dimension we selected language, right? So for each and every language, how many matrix, how many each and every. So I'm going to change the filter to one. So see, in that filter I entered New York City to exclude visitors from New York City. So here 15 comes. So I'm going to change the city to one more. I'm going to exclude uh, put here New York, here Bangalore, and save data and run the report. Then you will see there something different. So here this new page is excluding New York and Bangalore. So in this, filters are very useful in your reporting. Please go through all those filters, and you can create the exact report what you want if you use these filters properly. So in next video we will see you again with one more topic. Thank you, thanks for watching.